Well, things have been extremely chaotic since we last spoke, but today, along with many other things, I want to clean up the backyard a little bit. See if we can't make some space. So, like I say, things have been nuts. There is absolutely no shortage of work. I've been extremely stressed out. I haven't done any videoing for quite a while because I've been too busy doing other stuff, and I don't feel it lately. But today I'm at the office a bit, and anyway, we got some guys bringing some material here to the shop to be used again later. And they've got quite a mess made here. So, in order for them to get this material back out of here, I'm gonna have to get this machine in here and get some of this stuff sorted and cleaned up so that they can actually get it back out of here and actually have some room to work. Right now it's an absolute mess, and that's not even an exaggeration at this point. Really get a truck turned around back here at the moment, so I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, get rid of some of this garbage, throw it at the back till we get a nice little rain day where we can go ahead and haul some of this material out and go from there. Plan to do another video soon of the truck again too. That truck video did really good, and I appreciate all the support on that. Thank you very much. Sounds like we have another one coming like that one, so there'll be another 23 coming to the fleet here shortly. Actually, a couple of them. One will be a regular 250 base XL probably, and then one of the other foreman's trucks is acting up, so they're going to switch out to one of mine, another 23 250, but this time with the diesel, because he does do a lot of towing, so we'll have one of each. We'll have mine with the 7.3 gas, but then we will also have the exact same truck, 250 XLT, black on black probably, with the 6.7 diesel. I don't think they're going with the high output. I did ask if that was a consideration, but it doesn't sound like they necessarily need that, so it might not be the high output version, but we're definitely going to have another one come to the fleet, so that'll be interesting. I can do some side-by-side comparisons of the exact same truck, just one with the 6.7 diesel and one with the 7.3 Godzilla, which of course is mine. I've been driving it now for about a month, pretty consistently. Got about 4,000 kilometers on it now. The thing is still working really good. I have no complaints, really, at all. So that's good. The transmission is still really good, as of course you would hope it would be, being a brand new truck, I guess. But I did read some things online that maybe they were having a few issues with some of them, but This one so far, knock on wood, is still good. I don't notice any of those little issues with it, so yeah. And aside from that, just life in general has been extremely busy. I don't know about you all, but 2023, holy moly. It's been a year already, and it's only just begun. We've been hiring a bunch of people almost weekly, adding more personnel to the company here, ramping up for the season, and yeah, things are crazy. So a lot of new faces, a lot of new names. I honestly don't even know half of them at this point yet, but like I said to one of the other guys, when come July, if they're all still here, then I'll start taking note of who's who and what their names are, and maybe pay a little bit more attention to them in general. But for right now, until the proving time is over, there's not much sense in getting too caught up in what anybody else is doing. I guess they're hauling some of this fill today, so that's why they got the pile there. They're dumping it here in the yard, and then they're going to reuse it later tonight. I just want to make sure that the fill stays fill. It doesn't get any of this gravel and concrete and garbage mixed in with it. This looks like this was left over from a driveway job or something, head walls or something. We've been doing a lot of those for the city lately too, so it's been crazy. Been crazy. This 160 just finally come back. I had it on another job site doing a garage slab. The customers did pretty good. They or not the customer, sorry, Jordan did pretty good. Had some mechanical issues with the machine, unfortunately, which caused some delays, but that was an hourly time and material where it was bedrock and granite. So we got that all sorted away for now, and well, at least got it started, I should say. We did not get it finished. The customer has a budget. They would like to try to stay to it and not get too out of control. So we spent, 4 or 5 days up there with this machine, spent some money, got some rock broke, got some rock moved, and started the process of cleaning up. So now they'll take a pause, save up some more money, and then we'll return and continue with a bit more rock breaking to get it down to the grade he wants. Unfortunately, the sad reality of it is there's not a lot of great building lots left in Halifax. Anything that's left that isn't built on is pretty much rock. So these are the sites that people are picking up now to do stuff with, and it means extra money on site prep and site excavations and grade and all that jazz. It makes it expensive. I do not envy anyone building brand new in or around Halifax right now, because the cost alone just to prep a site is astronomical compared to what it used to be, just because of the rock. Like, the rock breaking is expensive. This machine, this 160 with a hammer on it, is not a cheap piece of equipment to run. Especially when you start getting into broken hoses and stuff. I mean, we ran through 2 brand new hoses, 2 couplers, just from wear and tear. I mean, it's a lot of pressure on the machine. I think the hoses alone were like $1,200. Like, it's an expensive toy. But anyway, we're gonna keep working here at this for a little bit, and then see if we can't get this drainage ditch running again and get this material to a point where they can actually get in and out of here, get the rest of their day done, and then I'll go back to the rest of my day.